Welcome back to the channel, Crypto Tro. I am Crypto Tro, bringing you the latest and the greatest in cryptocurrencies. And today, man, we're talking about AVAX and how a 10x is easily coming in the next bull market. I'm talking about this is set in stone. Now, AVAX is doing a lot of things as far as the blockchain technology, and I believe they're going to revolutionize how we look at different assets. What they are trying to do is tokenize different types of assets, and that's including real estate, stocks, equities, anything you can put on a blockchain. They are trying to do that, and that is a big task, but the team over at the Avalanche Blockchain is very, very smart, and they continue to be very revolutionary in the crypto space. So we're going to talk about that. We're going to talk about price and what I believe we can look forward to in the future for AVAX. But before we get into that, make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, turn on those notifications for all things AVAX in the future. I'm going to continue to bring this type of content because I am an investor in the Avalanche blockchain, and I do believe they are doing some things that will change the world in the crypto space. Not only just the crypto space, but everything we call assets. So we're going to get straight into it. Let's talk about it. AVAX, baby, what's the price looking like today? So we can see prices at $13.24 right now for the AVAX crypto, and we are up less than 1% on the day, but any green day is a good day, and I always recommend people to buy on the red days, man. Those are the days you want to get in. You want to buy on the green days, but I'm not going to lie to you, AVAX is super undervalued, so anything below $100 in my personal take on things is a good buy, and I'm talking about long-term holdings. This crypto is one of those crypto projects that is looking out into the future. You want to invest in those projects that talk about the future, not only talk about it, but actually put out products and projects that will be beneficial in the long run. So we can see market cap is at 4.5 billion, ranked 17 right now. So in that top 20 as far as cryptos, volume is down 33%. So volume is down on the day, but it's still $56 million being pumped or traded on the AVAX blockchain, and we can see right now that's coming ranked at 39. And I always say too, AVAX is burning Avalanche tokens like crazy. So in the long run, we will see less AVAX, and it will become very, very scarce, especially if you're thinking now, 10 to 15 years from now. And I know that's a long time, not even 10, but at least 5 years from now. And I do believe this will for sure appreciate in the bull market coming up because it's inevitable, man. Everything that they're doing right now is very much revolutionary in this blockchain space. So we can see Securitize just tweeted this about 4 days ago. They said Securitize is expanding access to asset classes historically exclusive to the top 1%, and John Woo and Avalab official have been pivotal partners in helping us achieve this mission. So AVAX is really partnering with some big institutions, and if you know Scrutinize or Securitize, the leading platform for expanding investor access to exclusive private market alternative assets, from private market equity to private credit and more. So they are doing some very, very big things. But this thread that the Avalanche blockchain Twitter just tweeted is very bullish. So we can see as a part of its June report beyond crypto tokenization, Bank of America cited Avalanche as one of the main platforms powering the future of value transfer. The digital asset report has a lot of great insights about the future of tokenization. Here's some key takeaway. So the opportunity is huge, predicting that traditional asset tokenization could reach 16 trillion plus over the next 5 to 15 years. The report makes it clear that the time for tokenization has come. The report mentioned recent projects by Citi, the EIB, the KKR's fund on Avalanche as evidence. So efficiency is the name of the game. Tokenization can reduce costs, optimize capital allocation and global supply chains, and drive mainstream adoption. All in all, improved processes have financial benefits which will accelerate the integration of blockchain technology. So, increase access on multiple levels. While centralized system fractionalize users, distributed ledgers are composable and allow processes to work together more easily. Tokenized funds can also have lower investment minimums, expanding opportunities for individual investors. Not just for TradeFi, some of the use cases that BOA has their eye on outside of optimizing financial processes is tokenized physical gold is more efficient and accessible. Art fractionalized and with NFTs to represent ownership, IP in the form of music royalty rights. So like Bank of America, the AVAX Foundation sees the importance of this new financial paradigm and recently launched the 50 million Vista fund to support tokenized assets and protocols on Avalanche. So you can dive into Bank of America's extensive global digital assets report that covers a wide array of topics, including the process of tokenization, a breakdown of efficiencies and benefits, a review of stablecoin market, and much more. So you can click on this link if you want to get into that. But let's just break that down, man. That's why I believe so much in AVAX, because they are really building towards the future. And I believe that's going to be one of the main drivers to mass adoption of blockchain technology. I believe gaming is going to be one, just because gaming continues to grow. And with gaming, if we can incorporate people making money, not only by streaming the games that they play, but actually having economies inside of these games, I believe it's going to also create jobs, not only create jobs, but bring more people into the crypto space, because they now know I can make money while playing the games I love, and not only just making money from the game, but streaming the game that I make money from and make another source of income that way. So that's going to be one of the main mass adoptions. But I also think tokenization is going to be a driver for mass adoption in the crypto space as well, just because the tokenization, man, let's talk about tokenization. Then we're going to get into the good stuff, me talking about prices. But why I believe one of the main drivers of crypto mass adoption, or what will bring more people into the crypto space, is the tokenization of assets. Now, I say this because this is going to bring the traditional finance people into the crypto space. Now, I know a lot of people don't want to hear that. A lot of people want to keep them out, but there's a lot of money to come into this space. And just say, if I can have the title of my car on the blockchain, or if I can have ownership of real estate on the blockchain, or ownership of stocks and equities on the blockchain, this makes it easier to show that I am the owner of those said assets. And this is going to be major because everything can be verified on the blockchain, and that's going to create a very strong narrative for mass adoption of crypto. So that's why I believe so much in the AVAX token, because they're doing the tokenization of these assets, and it's going to be very big in the future. Right now, we don't truly see it just because we are stuck in everyday activities, but in the future, this is going to be major, because I believe every asset will be on the blockchain. Now, I want to show the price of AVAX with the market cap of Dogecoin. Now, I do believe AVAX can easily get over Dogecoin, just because of, the things that they're doing. I'm not sure about what Dogecoin is doing. I know they got the own blockchain and coming out, or it already came out, and things like that. But I still believe AVAX will have more utility and more use case in the real world moving forward. So if we see AVAX right now is $13. Dogecoin is 7 cents. But AVAX with the market cap of Dogecoin at the all-time high of Dogecoin's market cap, we can see that's a 19x. So that's a $256 AVAX. And I believe, AVAX can easily hit that $88 billion market cap. I believe it can hit $100 billion, just because we saw how we predicting, or Bank of America predicted, that it's $15 trillion worth of assets that can be tokenized. Even if we just get 1% of that, that's going to absolutely make AVAX market cap go extremely high. So that's my video for today. Just want to give you that overview of why I believe a 10x, really a 20x for AVAX is imminent, man. This is going to happen whether we like it or not. And this is not financial advice. This is just me talking about my opinion. But I'm telling you, let me know what you think, what AVAX will do in the future. So, Crypto Tro, that's my video. I'm out of here.